Spectral presents. Mother Nature's beauty is a timeless masterpiece, painting rivers, mountains, and greenery with the colors of life and serenity. Nestled beneath the gentle rise of the hills, a mirror of sky lies still, the lake calm and timeless. Ripples dance in silence, touched only by the breeze, as the hills stand watch, ancient and proud. Nature whispers here. In the reflections of clouds, the shimmer of sun, and the quiet peace of a world untouched. This is beauty, pure and wild, where the earth breathes and the soul finds rest. Thank you